This is Leona. Leona is not your typical girl next door. Gentlemen, if you want to impress her, a supercar and a supersuit is just not enough. You've got to step up your game. We all know that looks aren't everything. It's what's inside that counts.
Wow!
That's why Leona only rides with Trapo. With Japanese antibacterial technology, Trapo eliminates 99.9% of bacteria and 99.9% of your competition. Anti-slip and waterproof design will ensure a worry-free ride as you speed off into the sunset with your Drift Queen. Never be left in the dust again with Trapo. For more information, please visit my.trapo.asia or follow our social media for more updates.
Trapo, the most hygienic car mat in Malaysia.